Hello and welcome. I made a user script for Freesound, this site. And now you can play back audio at various speeds. For example, this here audio lamp chop speed down. We can listen to what it sounded like originally, probably, without having to download it and edit it. Let's press 2, 3, and let's just speed it up manually. Yeah, that sounds like that was it. Yeah, factor of 6 is probably what it was. And there's more. You can play back stuff backwards. Weird. But kind of cool. Another slowed down thing. Let's see what it sounds like at max speed. Whoa. Huh, interesting. By the way, if you change the time factor, you can apply it to all other sounds. So let me do it again. I'm selecting 8 here, and it shows 8 here, but it's number 1 here and here as well. But if I press this button, then 8 is applied here and there as well, and is also used. I guess this is not sped up, but we can slow it down anyways. And basically get a quick insight on whether this would be a good drone or not, without having to download it first. Nice. I guess it's a bit buggy at times. Reloading the page should always kinda kickstart it again. I'll try to fix what I can. Oh yeah, and if you have specific needs, you can go into the script and edit it, and for example, change the values. Let's set it to 0.1, 0.2, 0.5, and then only 1, 2, and 4, and delete the rest to save some space in the UI. And check it out. Alright, so now we have less buttons and they use a little less space. And while this window is open, you can Control-Z undo. And of course it works on single sound pages as well. There we go. Hope you enjoy. Till next time. Ciao.